What you remove from your truck, there's like a clip on the back. It comes off. And we're gonna transfer these clips over here on the new one. This is the camera. This is the jumper harness. USB to get the videos if you don't want to use the Wi-Fi. It also comes with the memory card, so we're good. So I replaced the clips from the old one to the new one. Now we're gonna go inside the truck and use the jumper harness provide. This is how it looks behind the cover that I just took out. This is where the clips go when you put it back. And I believe we're gonna remove this connector. The black connector is to connect it to the camera. And this one goes over here. Okay guys, and this is the final product. When you install the camera, make sure you do it from the bottom and push it up so it can clip on with the clips. And that's it. Just download the app and you can see the footage from your phone. This is how the camera looks now. It looks OEM. I really like it.